Reality TV has taken over the masses. Everyone wants to see real people and real stories. Today, these people are mainly featured in talent shows that air on national television. These shows include kids. In fact, some are specially made for kids. But while kids fall in the limelight, this largely affects their life. So let's hear the positive and the negative effects of kids' reality shows by Madhav and Ayan as they enter the war of words.
Hi, my name is Ayan Mukadam and today I will speak for the topic Should there be kids reality shows?
Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Dalal and today I will be speaking on the topic that should there be kids reality shows, and I will be speaking against the topic.
In today's dangerous world, children's exposure to the outside world is very important so that they can get an idea about how things work. If the child is willing to participate in the reality show, they should get the chance to have a peek at the same. It will help improve mental and emotional flexibility along with speaking skills and confidence. They'll get an idea about professional work and how difficult it is, and therefore it might even help them in the future. Reality shows provide a better platform for everyone around the world irrespective of any bondage. Various reality shows provide chances for individuals to showcase their talent and excel. These reality shows help individuals to learn more and improvise their skills in their respective fields.
I am India's famous child entertaining you on TV. Barely at the age of 7, I am still learning my basic words, but yet must smile maturely at sexy lyrics during my dance show. At the age of 8, I cry when my mom is cross at me, but yet must smile benign when judges berate me on national television. And at 9, I can barely survive weekly fevers or colds, but have to face up to the harsh realities of lights, camera and action with tablets keeping my temperature down. Welcome to my surreal world of makeup, both on my face and reality. I am no child artist, but shall keep you hooked as we debate the fully official India Kids Slavery, reality show. Keep watching.
Children may become competitive by participating in these reality shows and may get used to failures and success. It may help them overcome their stage fear and shyness. It also helps them to showcase their skills in front of the whole world through national TV channels. The most upcoming artists are a result of such reality shows. Reality shows provide an international platform for such kids.
Did he mention instant gratification and fame? What they don't mention are the 20 retakes, long practices, while I sacrificed my lone evening play game. Can we really celebrate the lovely smiles and miles while facing a barrage of shouts from the director, stand ye in a file? Poverty, have-nots and ragtags. Oh, did they make you weep? That's the brilliant production head. No reality in that. Just go back to sleep. All these shows are future ready and they are confidence builders. And he's a star right away. In just 3 months after the show's over, no one cares. And just like Tom Hanks, he's a castaway.
Reality TV has provided a stage for people from all walks of life to unleash their talent. One doesn't need to have an uncle, dad, or connections into showbiz to audition for a reality show. They will be judged and will clear each round purely on their talent. Children who are naturally shy will learn how to build their confidence on public platforms. They'll get a chance to work alongside professionals like dance and voice coaches who will help them tone their skills and share industry secrets.
Oh, forget your life. I'm offering an international platform. Go conquer and dare. I miss my school, playing in dirt with friends. Out here, it's also artificial and bare. They display the perfect family, friends and bonding time. Wake up. On celluloid, they are all actors, pressurizing me all the time to twitch and chime. They promise you lasting riches and the perfect life. But past experiences say, don't be misled, darling. Fame is no faithful wife. Oh, what an artist I am. Flexible body, super dance moves. and teamwork benign, in reality, it is 8 hours of shoot, aching bones and forced moves, and for the mother's soft lap I pine. You, me, the world will rejoice. You are the next Hrithik. Crowds will cheer you at your show. Don't pressurize me. Release my childhood. I wonder why can't entertainment by adults alone flow?
In the modern age, children are required to become gradually smarter in terms of mental and emotional intelligence. This can be accomplished by reality shows with kids of their own age. The child will soon experience all the hardships and will try to solve the solutions by their own. Self-confidence, communication skills, and maintaining friendships would lead to the overall brain development. Thus, it would result in better performance in academics, strong friendships and bonds, and better relationships, and would thus lead to better job opportunities in the future. There are some guidelines of the National Commission of the Protection of Child Rights for children participating shows. These guidelines are already being followed. The government also takes care of their studies because the rules also allow them to shoot only for a few hours and study in mid breaks too. At least one parent should stay with them during the course of the show. There are some guidelines for the protection of the various physical aspects too. Thank you.
Celluloid was entertainment once, but now it's a business. More ads and variety needs us kids to take a bow. It is not our reaction that they want, but the gullible audience's eyeballs and sighs. How many realize that, like foie gras, we are force-fed to look great and throw artificial high fives? Yes, we make compelling shows and India loves kids always and will shower blessings on us while the lights will go. But imagine our plight when we lose the ranking, money, time with friends. How should we handle the blow? It is not the reality shows that's the problem, but the money-mindedness and the slavery mindset which crosses the line. We entreat the government to make a law that nothing on the screen below 18 should ever be fine. Thank you.
This is a never-ending debate. Not everyone looks through the glitz and glamour or TV. But are these struggles a price to pay for becoming successful? Let us know what you think in the comment section. Want to be the first to know of the videos on the Mind Wars YouTube channel? Hit subscribe and click the bell icon. And remember, knowledge increases when you share it. So like, share and tell your friends about the video.